as every Wednesday, the portfolio review, what we have in it. Currently, it's the Visa chart. And well, I already said for those who were here, or rather are, for those watching this later, that Visa is the company that will enter the portfolio next, most likely. I've been waiting for this company for over half a year now, I think, and only now might be the time to enter. If I do enter, I will, of course, keep you informed about it. And in the portfolio, the company Oracle, I'll start from the back a little bit today, meaning from the companies that entered recently, the latest. Oracle, CrowdStrike, two companies that entered last, companies that are at a loss. Axum Therapeutics, a company that's, well, is going up incredibly. Service Corporation International, 4 to 10 year US bonds, an ETF denominated in euros. Arista Network, United Health, Altria Google. Well, Google is currently the company in the portfolio with over 100% profit. Nvidia and Microsoft, which have been falling lately, and it seems like these are already good prices to buy. Of course, this isn't a recommendation, it's just my thought for the speculative portfolio. So setting aside what I'm saying now, this company has already been added slowly. And now at this point, today I'd like to show the results just a bit. Here, I have the dollar amount, well, the amount in the context of the result, which reflects the outcome on TipRanks, which is the statistics. Sorry, this won't be visible on YouTube. A clip from the live stream will be posted on Sunday. Looking at the result here on the TipRanks website where my stats are, the result is in dollars. And as you can see, we only have two companies at a loss here, meaning companies like Oracle and CrowdStrike. And look how the result differs compared to the result in zlotys. Here we basically have four companies at a loss, and well, an Altria is close to zero, even though the Altria chart is much higher than where it was bought. Well, there's a loss here because the portfolio is in zlotys, and it matters a lot. Maybe not a lot, well, it does matter a lot. The zloty to dollar or dollar to zloty exchange rate, rather. And that's why this result differs. But you'll see how the result changes when something happens in the world. It's always like that. A crash, something political, some little war and so on, scaring people. There will come a moment when the zloty starts to lose value, and see then what impact it will have on the portfolio. Because I think that we Poles are, this is my opinion in Poland, having the zloty and buying American stocks, meaning exchanging it for dollars, we're in a much better position than, for example, an American who buys American stocks and operates in dollars. But that will become clear as we go further, as I show and discuss it. So anyway, as for the portfolio allocation, this is how it looks. The largest share rather, most of it is in cash, meaning money waiting for a purchase. And then there are bonds, an ETF on US bonds, and it's like these first two positions. So here we have almost 3 or even close to 4,000 zlotys that we have specifically allocated for buying stocks. So you could say that about 30% I have in cash. I can put it that way, even though these are bonds, because I can cash that out at any time and buy more stocks. And again, when it's red, when there's fear, that's when I'll want to buy the most. That's it. That's what it's about. Liquidation wise today, 4,000, 14,000, sorry, liquidation value. And here we have the deposit came in like every month. And here are the deposits in total. Altogether, here is 12,730 almost plus the earned profit of 1,300 gives us a liquidation amount of 14,000.